If your car jerks when you accelerate, idles weird, or just feels sluggish, don't panic. You don't need an expensive trip to the mechanic. You might just need to reset your throttle position sensor. And guess what? You can do it yourself. In your driveway, right now, for free. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'll show you 3 simple ways to reset your throttle sensor, get your engine running smooth again, and save serious money in the process. Because smart car care, that's how we drive richer. Method 1, manual pedal reset. Let's start with the easiest fix, the manual gas pedal method. No tools, no parts, just you and your gas pedal. Yes, we're literally going to teach your car new tricks by doing a secret pedal dance. Not joking. Here's how to do it. Park safely and turn the ignition to on. But don't start the engine. Wait 3 seconds. Then slowly press the gas pedal all the way down, hold for 3 seconds, and slowly release. Do this 3 times. Turn the key off, wait 10 seconds. Then start the engine and let it idle for a couple minutes. If your throttle response feels smoother, congrats. You just performed a sensor reset like a pro. But if you've got an electronic throttle body or that didn't do the trick, don't click away yet. Our next method might be exactly what you need. Method 2, battery disconnect. This one's a classic, the battery disconnect trick. It works by wiping your car's computer memory, forcing it to relearn the throttle settings from scratch. Turn off your car, pop the hood, and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Leave it off for 5 to 10 minutes. Reconnect the terminal, turn the key to on again, don't start, and let it sit for 30 seconds. Then start your engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Take it for a spin, and if your throttle is smooth and responsive, boom, problem solved. Still not quite right? Now that your throttle's reset, here's the next step. Clean your throttle body. Dirty buildup can undo all your hard work. Want to keep your car running like new, without the dealership price tag? Hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Repair, and drop a comment if you've ever had throttle issues or need help picking the right scanner. Your car is smarter than you think. And now, so are you.